A temple with 7 corridors. A temple that is protected by walls resembling fork walls. A deity that protects her devotees. Welcome to Durga Devi Sapta Prakharayuta Bhavani Mata Temple located at Ismail Khan Pet, Iswaripuram, Telangana. As you step inside the temple premises, you will find a staircase on your left side. We advise you not to climb these stairs since it could be dangerous. Instead, we are pleased to present you the scenery as seen from the top of these fort walls. Let's walk around and explore these walls. These fort walls are believed to be 400 years old. Let us now take a glance of the temple premises from this viewpoint. The total area of the temple premises is 4.5 acres. As you cross the main entrance, we will first familiarize ourselves with temple surroundings and then go for a walk around the temple. As you walk, you observe these semi-finished pillars around the temple. These are meant for the 7 corridors or prakharams that are in construction. Once completed, the devotees will be able to do 7 pradakshanas once in each corridor or prakaram. Let us enter the sanctum sanctorum now and bow to Goddess Durga Mata first, and then we will complete a pradakshana around the deity. The goddess is 9 feet tall and is mounted on a base of 3 feet height. She is seen riding on a lion along with other armory. The goddess here is believed to be powerful. The goddess is being worshipped as per the traditions of Sri Sri Jagadguru Adi Shankaracharya Sri Sringeri Sharada Peetham. Another idol of Goddess Durga Mata is found in a small temple on the south side along with the other temples of Lord Ganesha and Lord Shiva. The Ammavaru in this temple is believed to be Swayambhu and is being worshipped for the last 400 years. You can visit this temple also later. Having completed the pradakshana, let us examine the temple architecture now. It is time now to say goodbye to you. We hope that you enjoyed the tour of this temple. Thank you for watching and enjoy your rest of the day.